So over here you can see that I have an image, and if I were to go to file right here and create a new blank file, then I can go around and define the size of the file and then create out a blank document. So if I were to go around and bring in this object right here, then a smart object is here. Meaning if I were to resize this right here and press the check mark and resize it again, you can see that it does seem like it's pixelated, but as soon as I press the check mark button right here, you can see that it becomes as it is, because this is a smart object right now. If you want to convert it into a regular layer, then all you need to do is right click and then click on simplify layer right here. So once you do that, this is a regular layer. So you can go around and resize this, as you can see, and press the check mark button right here, and this is what you have. You can resize it again, and since it's not a smart object anymore, we can see that it does lose the detail. Let me just go around and delete out this layer by pressing the delete key, and now let's go around with this shape. So if I were to go around right here and select out this shape right here, then this shape is a smart object as well. So if I were to go around and then resize it, you can see that the edges are crisp clear right here. But if you want to go around and then make this into a regular layer, then you can right click and click on simplify layer to this one as well, and what it does is it converts this layer into a regular simple layer. So if I were to go around right here, it does start to pixelate around over here, because it is not a vector graphics anymore, but rather a pixel based graphics right here. But what this also allows you to do is this allows you to edit out things freely over here. So you can grab the eraser and simply erase out right here just like this and work around with it, as you can see. And that is how you can simplify layers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. And what the simplify layers does is it converts all of the effects of the photos that may be in as smart objects into a regular pixel based layer that you can easily edit out. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.